Drones have taken the world by storm, transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of technology. In today's fast-paced technological landscape, drones play a significant role in revolutionizing various sectors, from agriculture to filmmaking. Their versatility and capabilities have opened up endless possibilities, making them a game-changer in the modern world. The rapid advancements in drone technology have been nothing short of mind-blowing, with each new innovation pushing the limits of what these aerial devices can achieve. From improved flight stability to enhanced camera capabilities, drones are constantly evolving to meet the demands of various industries. In this video, get ready to be amazed as we delve into the cutting-edge drone technologies that are set to revolutionize the way we work and play. Stay tuned for a glimpse into the future of drones and their potential impact on our lives. Drone delivery revolution. The delivery industry is undergoing a revolutionary transformation, thanks to the advent of drone technology. Drone delivery offers a plethora of benefits, including faster shipping times, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. Imagine receiving your package within hours of ordering, all thanks to drones zipping through the skies with precision and speed. Successful drone delivery services have already made their mark in various regions, showcasing the immense potential of this innovative approach. Companies like Amazon Prime Air and UPS have successfully implemented drone delivery systems, paving the way for a future where drones dominate the last-mile delivery process. As we look ahead, the implications of widespread drone delivery systems are vast, from reducing traffic congestion to minimizing carbon emissions. The future of delivery is here, and drones are leading the way towards a more efficient and sustainable logistics landscape. Aerial photography and cinematography. Drones have revolutionized the world of photography and cinematography, offering unparalleled capabilities in capturing breathtaking aerial footage. With high-quality cameras mounted on drones, filmmakers and photographers can now capture stunning imagery from unique perspectives that were once impossible to achieve. From sweeping landscapes to dynamic action shots, drone cameras deliver a level of visual storytelling that is truly awe-inspiring. In industries like filmmaking, real estate, and tourism, drones have become indispensable tools for capturing captivating visuals that engage audiences and showcase properties in a whole new light. The impact of drones on these industries is undeniable, providing a competitive edge and setting new standards for visual content creation. The creative possibilities unlocked by drone cinematography are endless, allowing artists to push the boundaries of storytelling and visual expression. With drones, the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning of a new era in aerial photography and cinematography. Search and rescue operations. Drones are transforming search and rescue missions with their unmatched agility and reach, providing crucial assistance in locating missing persons and disaster survivors. Real-life examples abound of drones successfully aiding in search and rescue efforts, navigating hazardous or hard-to-reach areas with ease to pinpoint individuals in need of help. The advantages of using drones in such operations are manifold, from their ability to cover vast areas quickly to their capability to access locations inaccessible to traditional search teams. Drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras and other specialized tools can detect heat signatures and provide vital information to rescue teams, significantly enhancing the chances of finding and saving lives in critical situations. The potential impact of drone-assisted search and rescue operations is immense, offering a lifeline to those in distress and underscoring the invaluable role of technology in saving lives during emergencies. Security and surveillance advancements. Drones are playing a pivotal role in enhancing security measures and surveillance capabilities, offering a versatile and efficient solution for monitoring large areas, crowd control, and event security. From monitoring traffic flow to overseeing public gatherings, drones provide a bird's-eye view that traditional surveillance methods cannot match. However, the use of drones for surveillance raises ethical considerations and privacy concerns, as the technology enables unprecedented access to individuals' lives and activities. Striking a balance between security needs and privacy rights is crucial in the deployment of drone surveillance systems. Despite these challenges, the potential for drones to improve public safety and prevent crime is significant. With real-time monitoring and rapid response capabilities, drones can aid law enforcement agencies in identifying and addressing security threats swiftly, ultimately contributing to a safer and more secure environment for all. Conclusion. In conclusion, drones have emerged as a game-changer across various industries, revolutionizing the way we work, create, and innovate. From enhancing delivery services to transforming photography and cinematography, drones have showcased their immense potential to change the world as we know it. The agility, reach, and versatility of drones have opened up endless possibilities, paving the way for a future where technology intersects seamlessly with everyday life. As we continue to explore the boundless capabilities of drones, I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of drone technologies and their diverse applications. Stay informed, stay engaged, and be a part of the drone revolution shaping our world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread awareness about the transformative impact of drones. Together, let's soar to new heights with drones.